Hello dear colleagues, engineers. Let's talk about mechanical circuits and mechanical devices. In situations where we are not satisfied with the mechanical devices, for one or another reason, method 28 offers us to replace a mechanical system. Let's look at examples using the reverse engineering technique to know how to get to the invention of a new device with the help of the method number 28. For example, a door lock. The padlock has its drawbacks. It can be torn down with the help of scrap or opened with a master key. Applying the perfect final result, we formulate an inventive task. The lock should be protected from dismantling with scrap. They invented a mortise lock or deadlock. You can't tear it off just like that, but there is still a risk of hacking with a master key. It is of course requires a higher qualification of a cracker, but the weak point is the keyhole into which the master key can be inserted. The next perfect final result, the lock cannot be opened with a master key, but it can be opened with a key. Alternatively, the lock doesn't have a keyhole, but the owner can open it without a keyhole. So they invented electromagnetic locks, which opens with an electronic key, widely used in intercom systems. In the example of an electromagnetic lock, we see a transition from mechanical circuit to an electromagnetic one. Just what the method number 28 offers us. Of course, you may say that the electromagnetic lock is also not perfect, because in the absence of voltage, the door becomes open without a key. In such a case, to avoid unlocking the door, it is possible to provide autonomous power supply from the battery during the absence of power supply from the electrical network. There are also acoustic locks that respond to your voice. Optical devices are widely used in mobile phones that recognize your face or retina. In situations when it's necessary to have an impact on an object, for example to move it, and you know that a magnetic field can influence this object, then feel free to use it. Move this object or a set of objects without using mechanical circuits, by applying a magnetic or electromagnetic field. These examples of applying the replacement of the mechanical system method have been shown to attract your attention to those actions and their sequences which you specify in the process of working on tasks in production. So first you should set the perfect final result and then choose the method that leads you precisely the way to an area with new ideas to solve a task or a problem. That's all for technique replacement of the mechanical system. Have a practice this technique over the next day and it will become your reliable tool in unsolvable situations. And remember, there are no non-solvable situations. I know you can find a solution.